Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Interior Design with Rae. So I'm going to show you a recently started 4-room HDB resale at Punggol. Okay, I'm going to show you the condition after all the walls have been hacked. Okay, of course at the same time I will also show you the before pictures. Okay, so let's go in and take a look now. Okay, so at the main entrance, as you can see, okay, the gate and the door all have been removed already. This is just a temporary door, okay, because my client is going to change the door and the gate. Okay, so you can see that this is a very common layout in Punggol. Okay, the kitchen is here, living, dining, and then the 3 bedrooms are all inside there. Okay, so what I've hacked is the flooring. The existing flooring used to be tile. Okay, so I'm going to replace with some wooden tiles. These are the wood pattern porcelain tiles, and also there's this big format white tile. There's no vinyl being used for this apartment. So over here you can see there's the common bedroom. So this common bedroom is going to be converted into a multi-purpose room and also a guest room. But because the space before this wall has been demolished, okay, was very tight, okay, because from this end to this end, okay, usually you put your TV there and then the sofa there. Okay, the feel of the space is not really spacious, right, because of this L wall here. So I suggest demolishing this wall and then putting some glass panel here to see through a bit to the multi-purpose room. Okay, at the same time it enlarges the space a little bit better, and also to allow more light to penetrate these 2 areas. Okay, so over at this side here there will be a 3-panel bifold door, okay, just to segregate the passageway from the multi-purpose room. And the dining will still be here, but it's going to be a customized dining table, right? Reason is because of the space constraint. Okay, so I can design according to the space here. Okay, so the floor tiles, right, there's a segregation between the passageway. Okay, this passageway I'll consider from the main door. It goes like that, and then it goes all the way in to the main passageway. Okay, so this entire space will be using the wood porcelain tiles. Okay, this one, and then this area here where the dining is all the way to the kitchen and the yard will be a pattern tile, and the living is here, multi-purpose room, common bedroom, and the master all will be the big format tiles, okay, which is in the white color matte finish. Okay, so interestingly there's this small balcony, okay, not very deep. It's about 2.5 feet depth. Okay, but you can still step up. Okay, and I'm going to overlay the floor tiles here. Okay, as we move along, this is the common bathroom. So the common bathroom has original wall tiles and floor tiles. So it's okay to overlay, okay, without hacking away the original floor and wall tiles. Okay, and the configuration of this bathroom is almost the same like the previous, okay, because of the space constraint as well. Okay, this is the main entrance to the common bedroom. The reason why I've hacked away this wall here is because there is a wardrobe here. Okay, the wardrobe inside the common bedroom is an L shape. Okay, so my client also wants to access from the master bedroom, so it's like a double door wardrobe. Okay, one facing there and then one facing here, so she can actually access the clothes inside here. Okay, so next come to the master. You can see the master also not very big. Okay, it's a good size but not very huge. Okay, so simple, straightforward. There will be TV feature here, headboard with a platform. Okay, the wardrobe is going to be here. Okay, and the master bathroom is also basing on the existing space. Okay, the configuration is still the same. There's not much of the changes. Also original wall and floor tiles, so you can always overlay them. Okay, let's go to the kitchen. Okay, so at the kitchen entrance, you can see there's this very weird L beam above the kitchen entrance. Okay, so I'm going to do a drop ceiling here just to hide everything. Okay, so you don't get to see this L beam anymore. It's very odd because it's just like that. Okay, so you can do a drop ceiling here, flush everything nicely. For the kitchen, very straightforward, right? Left cabinet and then right cabinet. Service yard, okay, there'll be some cabinets as well. Okay, it's hard for me to go in now, but you can see it's just finished hacking, so there are a lot of debris. My guys still have a lot of work to do. Okay, all this has to be cleared, but the tiles are all here. Okay, the cement mix are all here already. So I'll show you more videos along the way when there's more progress. Okay, so continue to watch my other videos and I'll see you soon.